Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we are coloring 2D shapes. First we are coloring star, and now we are using the color of green. First we are mixing. Now we are mixing and using the color of green. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, now we coloring star, the shape of star. The next one is pentagon. We are again using green color. The color of green. Kids, the next one is square. Now we are using the color of red. Subscribe to our channel. The shape of square. Red color. Now we are using the color of red. We are again using red color and coloring the shape of square. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is triangle. We are again using and coloring the shape of triangle. We are using red color. The next one is circle. Now we are using the color of blue. Now we are mixing and using the color of blue. The last one is trapezoid. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.